Right, so we have a question here. What's up, everybody? How you doing, man? Right, so let's go. So first and foremost, whenever I have something sort of question like that, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply long. You know why I'm gonna apply long? Let me tell you why. See what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna say first of all, I can just break that out. Say y equal to, so this is x, and then if I had to remove the root, it's gonna be 1 plus x squared. This is gonna be 1 over x. Excuse me, what I'm saying? And then over all this stuff over 3 power x. So for me to simplify this, if I had to do quotient or do product, it's going to be very big. So I'm going to apply ln of y equal to ln x multiplied by the certain number. But if I have a ln of a times b mathematical, this is the same as say ln of a plus ln of b. If I have a ln of a over b, this is the same as say ln of a minus ln of b if it's division. So now this is a multiplication, so I'll say ln of x plus ln of this group, which is 1x squared power 1 over x. Let me raise there, power x. And all this group we minus ln of 3 power x, the one at the denominator. So this is going to be, excuse me, I can take this at the back of the power. So this is going to be ln of y and then ln of x plus 1 over x. Acceptable? 1 over x means whenever you have a ln of something, let's see, ln of x power 2, you can take number before ln, means you follow the ln. So 2 ln of x. So for this case here, I'm going to say 1 over x ln 1 plus x squared, and then x at the back ln of 3, excuse me, minus x ln of 3. So now we can start to differentiate now, because this is more easy means straight away. So now let's differentiate this stuff. So now if I differentiate this, it's going to give me 1 over y, because when you differentiate y you get 1, and then over the same function, and then what did you differentiate? Dy. And this side, when you differentiate, everything is going to be dx. You know what I'm saying? So say when you like somebody give a ln of g of x. So this time I say differentiate whatever is in here, and then over the same function. That's how you differentiate what? Ln of anything. So if somebody give me ln of, so for this case here, we got ln of y. So ln of y means differentiate this y, you're going to get a 1 over exactly what you have here. And then you do the same thing, differentiate is going to give you 1 over exactly what you have here. But what do you differentiate everything in this side is x's. So now you say plus, this is a product rule, excuse me. So I'll put the first one constant, and then I'll differentiate this. If I differentiate this, look, let me put a little bracket here. So put this constant because it's a product of the two functions, this function and this function. Put the first one constant, differentiate this. So how do you differentiate this? So that one is easy. You do the same game. Differentiate everything which is in here, which is going to give me, when you differentiate 1 you get 0, when you differentiate x you're going to get 2x, and then over the same thing which is in there, 1x squared. Now we plus, excuse me, so this is going to be constant now. My apology. This is going to be constant now, which is ln 1x squared, and now we have to differentiate 1 over x. Look, 1 over x is like x negative 1. So when you differentiate negative 1 x, negative 1 minus 1, negative 2, which is going to give you negative 1 over, go to the denominator, x squared. You see, so it's going to be negative 1 over x squared. See, so all that term is going to be, let me say it again, some people maybe didn't catch it. So if you want to differentiate this, most of the time I will just erase pocket. So it's like that. So I have not yet start differentiate. It's like differentiate, it's like differentiate. So if I have to differentiate this, what I'm going to do, I'll check negative on the back. I'm not going to write differentiate anymore because I'm doing the process. So x, negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. So this is my answer, negative 1, and then let me erase pocket back. Going to be x, and this is going to become positive. So negative 1 over x squared. So negative 1 over x squared. So now if I differentiate that one, it's going to give me negative 1 over x squared. So this is the second group. Now I go for the last one. For the last one, if I put this constant Okay, so this ln of 3 is just a constant number, and when you differentiate x, you're going to get 1. So this times 1 is the same thing. So now we differentiate this side is dx. So I want to get dy dx. So divide by dx and divide by dx. This and this cancel. So I'm going to say dy dx I'm looking for equal to all this stuff. What is that stuff? 1 over x. My stuff is 1 over x. Look, it's 1 over x. So I'm going to multiply by y throughout. Multiply by y, and this stuff here multiply by y, because I don't need this y. I just need dy dx. So 1 over x, and then we plus 1 over x. 1 over x. And then, okay, now I can cancel this and 1x. So for the middle one, it's going to give me 2, 1 plus x squared. And the plus and minus is going to be minus ln of 1x squared over x squared, and then a plus my ln of 3. But all of this multiplied by this y, because multiplied by y, multiplied by y. So multiply by y, but we know the value of y. Value of y is this. So I'm not going to write y anymore. I'm going to write that value. So say my y, but my y, so multiply by x 1 plus x squared over 3 power x. That's the end, man. Thanks a lot. Peace and love, brother and sister.
More ring for my queen. You gon' wait me till Jesus come. Why when I talk? Pocket full floss, money, honey. Forget about Suzanne.
So since we don't have all the equipment like, you know, cameras and all this stuff, so just use one of the webcam from my computer. So we're going to start with these tools and give people knowledge, because that's how they say, you know, start with what you have, and then from there you're going to elevate it, you know, you're going to elevate it, and things going to propagate it, and you know, excuse me, and things going to improve slowly, you know, because you can't reach down top before start from the bottom. Otherwise then you're going to break and start from bottom.